Day 3 of vacation.
Yeah, so we finally made it to the beach.
Oh man.
Which was literally a few steps from
a 3-minute walk.
With a baby, yeah.
There you go.
So this is going to be interesting because it's Alora's first time on a real beach.
These waves are.
Yeah, they look a little intense. And it's pretty early. You know what time it is?
10 o'clock?
Yeah, I just woke up at 6 a.m. Again, thanks a lot. And the sun isn't like too hot. It's not at its peak yet.
It's up there.
So we're going to see if the water feels nice and if this was a good idea.
Someone had a great time. This one. She wouldn't want to leave.
Yeah, she cried a little bit.
He's saying, that's good. What are you saying? That's good. Okay.
We're gonna mosey on over to the pool because we bought like this floaty for Alora so she can have some freedom because she did not like us holding on to her and she wanted to just run into the ocean.
Miss Independent.
Yes, she is. So, no, it was actually pretty fun. Like, the waves weren't too crazy. It's not too hot, but it's not too cold. Like, the water's perfect temperature.
It's amazing.
Yeah. Plenty of stretch of beach. How many miles do you think this beach is?
At least 0.5 miles.
I think I read somewhere it's 2 miles.
Oh, I said at least.
Yeah.
I didn't say at most.
Either way, this is a nice beach. It's not like your white sand, clear water, but
it's a good beach.
It's still a good beach, yeah, I would say. I'm glad we were able to do this before summer ended.
All right, we are here. Whoa! Yeah.
Laura is all suited and booted, ready to. We may get on the slide.
Okay.
I don't know.
won't.
I'm not.
Is it open? Yes, it is. Not with Laura. She'll have to watch. Yeah. Mwah.
Okay. Well, hopefully she has a good time. Well, not no. Hopefully
she will.
Hopefully she doesn't cry when it's time to go.
And hopefully she goes to nap immediately when we get home. That's what I'm waiting
for.
Our
goal is to tire her out. We'll probably let her run around when she gets out of the pool.
Right, Laura? Say let's go.
Oh my goodness.
Good job. So you drank the water? It's okay.
Yikes.
It's okay. It's okay. That's okay. Whatever. Whatever.
Hey.
Fine. Yeah. Okay.
You remind me of Kevin Hart. It's fine. Please do not tell him that. Now he started something.
I don't know if y'all heard that, but this woman made the mistake telling Phil that he reminds her of Kevin Hart. Phil believes he is
Did someone call my name? Kevin Hart?
funny. He thinks he's a comedian. Everyone who knows us knows that I am the comedian. But I guess because I'm a female, you know, I don't get the recognition that I deserve.
Not true.
Phil is like a 5 on the comedic scale.
Okay.
I'm about a 9.5.
Let me explain myself.
Where'd your daddy go? Where'd your daddy go? There he is. Daddy shark. Hi guys, so we are now actually on our way to get some more. So we saw like a little daily activity guide they had, and there's supposed to be some more kits for the kids, but it's like first come first serve. So yeah, Alora, if there are some left, Alora will get to make her first s'mores on the fire pit.
Hello, are you ready for this? She's so confused. No?
So they had s'mores kits for the babies, for the kids. So we're going to try this out. I have no idea how this is gonna go. I'm gonna do one marshmallow at a time, okay?
Like this? On the outside?
Did it work? Uh-oh. Is she gonna eat it? I don't know.
It's so messy. Is it hot? Yummy, yummy.
I got the world's greatest cookie marshmallow.
Is it good? It's actually pretty good. I did on my mask. Lord, do you even know where the room is?